Good morning, Wildcats. My name is Mondo, and welcome back to Cats in the Kitchen. We're going to be making some delicious, inexpensive mousse cups. I'm going to show you how to make your cup or your chocolate vessel. Try to find one that's smooth all around with no rivet on it. For the top, you get some plastic wrap, one nice layer on top. And you want to stretch it out so it's as smooth as you can. And you take your ladle, dip it in there, and you just kind of barely coat it with it. Let the chocolate cool down a bit so then you can put another coat on it. One more time. Let it drip off as much as you can. And once you get to that point, you're going to flip it over like that, just in your fridge. And in maybe 2-3 minutes, it should be nice and solid. Our chocolate is now cooled down, and in order for it to release from the spoon, we're going to add just a little bit of warm water right in the center. Just more like hot warm water, just a little bit. Carefully, maybe for 2-3 seconds, swish it around, and then discard your water. And then, hopefully, and voila! Now that our spoon is out, we can now gently pull out the plastic. And this is where it's important that it's as smooth as possible on the ladle, or else you'll have little spaces and gaps where the plastic is stuck in the chocolate.